To install the Xfinity self-install kit at home, start by downloading the Xfinity app on your mobile device from the App Store. Log into your account using your Xfinity ID and password. Then confirm your device's identity by scanning its QR code or by manually entering its SSID or CM. MAC number. Next, find a central location in your home for the modem and connect it by screwing one end of the coaxial cable into the cable wall outlet and the other end into the port on the modem. Ensuring these connections are tight, plug one end of the power cable into a socket and the other end into the back of the modem. If you have a voice service subscription, locate the telephone 1 connection on your modem and plug in your telephone using a telephone cord. Open the Xfinity app to provide a name and password for your Wi-Fi. Then wait for the modem to connect. You'll know it's connected when the light stops flashing. Once connected, link all your devices by going to Wi-Fi settings, selecting your Wi-Fi name, and entering the password, saving this setting so your device connects automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully install the Xfinity self-install kit.